Hey guys, Paul here. I just wanted to show you guys an update on this project and slightly more in-depth view of the bearing system and then the drive system that I'm building. So here you can see the pillow block bearing that I have in a little bit more detailed view. Basically, it's just secured with two bolts, the top and bottom there, to this piece of wood. I drilled out with a 1-inch spade bit a big enough hole for that for a washer, same size as the one you can see there. And I drilled it deep enough that the head of the bolt can sit flush with the surface of the wood, so that when I screwed it down, there's no gap there. So that allows me to just screw this board onto the wall with 4 screws, 1 in each corner. So the monstrosity there is just a kind of a drill hex to a square drive for a hex driver, which is a 10mm hex driver that's just been taped to the back of that dowel. And I use it because I had it actually from another project that also used the same motor. And this is the motor that's the $10 motor from Harbor Freight. I just removed it from the screwdriver, the electric screwdriver housing, and I zip tied it to this top board here using some foam insulation sheeting as a spacer to help keep it flat, and the compression just allows me to kind of get a better grip on it. And then because the zip ties, oh, you can't really see in there, but the zip ties go through the board and they stick out a little bit, I have these plywood spacers that are just glued on in between. And then this is the carrying board. So then that will mount up like that. It was supposed to match flush, but moved a little bit while I was gluing it, so unfortunately not quite flush. But that's basically the drive system, and I still have to make the electronics. I want to drive it with pulse width modulation with an H bridge so that I can control the speed as it gets close to the end. Alright, thanks. Bye.